Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm your well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video must watch video till the end. So let's start today's video. So stay with me till the end of the video. World War Z2 was reportedly cancelled due to budgetary issues. This was revealed to in India Wire in 2019 by sources close to productions. World War Z2 was never fully released. After years waiting, it was officially cancelled in 2019, leaving the franchise buried. 12 August 2024 watched thrilling teaser Taylor of World War Z2 featuring Brad Pitt in an epic action sequel of World War Z Return. Although fans have been aware of World War Z2's cancellation since 2019, they are not aware of why it is cancelled. As such, many are curious to know what caused the sequel's cancellations. Additionally, fans are also wondering whether the platform currently streaming the first film, can make the World War Z2 and whether a Brad Pitt return is possible. Why was World War Z2 cancelled? Can Netflix make World War Z2 reality? Could Brad Pitt reprise his whole of land of World War? This film has been garnering popularity on Netflix, and many viewers reportedly look forward to a sequel. However, it's unlikely that a World War Z2 would be made at this point. This was revealed to India Wire in 2024 by sources close to the productions. The sources also further revealed that David Fincher, who was tapped to direct around that time, agreed to direct the sequel for less than the $190 million budget for the movie. However, Paramount believed at that time that the money to fund the sequel production was too high. Ron Howard, the director behind Hillbilly, Illegally and Beautiful Mind, stressed a variety the importance of exercising one's rights to vote in this upcoming presidential election in November. While stated to serve as a sequel to Brad Pitt's World War Z2, World War Z2 was never fully released after years of waiting. The original had become the highest grossing zombie movie for all time domestically with its $2002 million take at the box office. It led Pitt to move on to other projects including Bullet Train, Babylon and The Lost City, as well as many other movies he produced. Pitt may have moved on with ease, but the mystery behind World War Z2 cancellations remain. Which such a highly successful producers, it is rare for sequel to be cancelled off abruptly. Not too much is known about the movie, but what is publicly available is certainly worth considerations. So, updated on July 8, 2024 by Arthur Goya's World War Z2 proved the way of action-oriented zombie movie in the early, but it is satisfied box office performance was not enough to guarantee a sequel. World War Z2 was given a green light. Yes, the project is yet to see the light of the day. This article was updated to discuss more about and shelved project. World War Z was meant to be the start of tragedy, but it never came to be. World War Z2 was originally slated to start film in March 2024 and was meant to shoot in Atlanta, Spain. Spain, Thailand, and various other settings. Unfortunately, the start of production was delayed until the summer. Before it was abruptly 2019, it already had a lead actor and director lined up, which made all more surprising. The original World War Z2 has extensive reshoots which undoubtedly contributed to the decision to cancel the project. Paramount, the studio that would have financed World War Z2, instead chose to focus its budget on its other movies, including the Mission Impossible franchise, while Paramount had no way of knowing it at the time. The decision prevented a coming disaster, even if the movie had begun filming in the summer, potential reshoots and scheduling. Alongside with thriller veteran David Fincher was set to direct World War Z2, though he has since expressed that he was happy that it was never fully developed and released. He would have replaced the original director Mark Foster. He was not the first choice as director. J.A. Beyond Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom was originally tapped for the position. Fincher was an experienced director, having worked on The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo, The Social Network, and Zodiac. He also worked as the acclaimed show House of Cards. Still, the action packed zombie movie would have been a change of pace for him, bringing Fincher back to his horror roots. Watch the official teaser trailer of the World War Z2 next chapter starting Brad Pitt. Coming soon from Paramount Pictures, this thrilling sequel continues the fight for survival in the world. Orvium by Zombies, World War Z2 next chapter coming soon, World War Z2 next chapter teaser trailer Paramount Pictures. So, World War Z2 was reportedly cancelled due to budgetary issues. This was revealed to India Wire in 2019 by source close to the production's 12 August 2024. A follow-up movie would likely have explored the aftermath of the vaccine discovery, lend efforts to vaccinate the entire human race while still pushing back the infected would have led to equally intense action scenes while also suffering more insight into the diplomatic state of the post-World War Z world. Max Brooks' World War Z, an oral history of the zombie war which inspired the first movie, is an in-depth exploration of the way. I hope you all like this video of mine very much, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope that all of you are getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you all successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video, with a new spirit, with a new day, with a new happiness. Take care of yourself. Remember, be in your prayers. Have a nice day. Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe. Many zombie movies have tragic conclusions that spell out decades of suffering ahead, but World War Z to indent on a hopeful note. After Pittsburgh land developed a vaccine against the infections, the world looked like it could swiftly return to a semi-normal state, be reunited with his family at the efforts to push back to zombies were already underway. Thank you very much as were pertinent vaccinations.